Panic arose in Russia when military vehicles with Ukrainian flags appeared on the streets. Vehicles with Ukrainian flags were seen in Tver, Russia. Unfortunately, they are just for the filming of a movie about the war.
Но у меня немножко ощущение сюрреализма какое-то.
Latvia is one of the Baltic countries that comes out with the harshest condemnations of the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Now Latvia will have nothing to do with Putin, as it removes a pedestrian bridge on the country's border with Russia. Soldiers of the 28th Brigade destroy the enemy on the left bank of the Dnipro River. In Kazakhstan, rallies against the newly elected President Tokayev which rose against Putin recently in public. Russian propaganda is starting to work. Russian decadence and immorality have no end, nor does the Russian nation have any shame. A singer from Moscow recorded a music video on the roof of a ruined drama theater in Mariupol. About 600 people died here when Russia attacked the building. And for the end, some military porn unrelated to Ukraine.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.